A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. So since we know, say God good and kind to we, and show we so much love, even though we don't deserve it, what you think we shouldn't do? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, them, chapter 12, from verse 1 to verse 8. So then, brother and sister, since God good and kind to you, enough, me a beg you do. Give up your life to God like one sacrifice. One sacrifice we're alive. We're dead to serve God and where God can happy with. That's how we don't worship God. Don't make the people when they're in the world tell you how to live. Instead of that, make God change the way how you think so that Him can change the way how you live. That way we know all what God wants you to do. We know we're right. We know we make God happy. And we know how Him want to live. Because of the gift what God give me I tell you no. Nobody thinks no more than when you really be. Instead of that, you have to humble yourself and judge yourself based on the faith where God give you. Same like how one body make up enough different parts. And the different part, them there to do different things. I see them so enough away. But the whole we make up one body, because we and Christ Jesus are one. The whole we different, but we join up together and we belong to one another. God give we different gifts. He make we can do different something. If God give somebody the power to preach a message, then them to preach based on the faith where them have. If God give them the power to serve, then them to serve. If He give them the power to teach, then them to teach. If God make you can talk to people and make them feel like say they can do what they need to do, then that you fi do. If He give you a heart for people, we make you share all what you have, then you forgive with all of your heart. If God make you one leader, then you have to work hard. If God make you can good and kind to people, then that you do, and you feel happy if you do it too. And God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.